Twigura CS Sub-County Cooperative Savings and Credit Sacco, Sacco, Rwego branch officially today. Wow.
Hape Habat Mayanja nuwabira ry'umujinyi mukuru amukorwa Sacco yabisheshe erukwigura hitaji yabo mbutongore omurwengo batano kanso mu district y'Ibanda.
Faras okazitomukanyo okazitimbere china zukwato zitwara mu banku fixing ko kuzifixing namaza kuhereza eka percentage osange ngo wabika miliyoni za 5 aha muhero go mwaka osanga bakwirumuka miliyoni ikemo nanga miliyoni 2 okuri general rate yabo ko kizeta
mwene abantu barwengobwa ogumugisha mwagufunire ngukozese kindly utilize this noble opportunity significantly. Ahabwo kuba igisako tia Benjamin tia chairman C5 tiyo police ne yani
amukorano gugumwe umwizi wa RDC wa district y'Ibanda Bonjo Richard ayorekerengwa abatura binje nabwo baceremerwa gukora isobohereza bwaza Sacco obwari kugira ngo nibakirukangiro mbakafuna
nakuri biriyo nakwatenzu yinkejo ajira tinyezo je najuguza miliyoni 2 kandi yashashwaga gerezita rero na chairman RC1 na wata hustamp hati bishunzo mu maraka ayizo mu office ya RDC
rero gwabiri nenda kukendera ukabika miliyoni 15 imitwaro mwenda 2015 emugabo mukahendero gwabiri neshatu mwine miliyoni 35 Mtwara 35 kasanzu 85 na mwenda
mu gwitu kutwarenjeri yabisheshe Sacco turi abantu rwenda buri muntu yagenda omwaka ogwa kareto muntu omwe tubantu koraki tudabuzamu kandi tukikwetagisa ngo tamburoze hari
Sacco yabisheshe ni Sacco yegombora eyatanikirwa habebembezi omwaka 2023 okwera abantu bayo kwebikira no gukora intunguka. Umugandi umuzi wa speaker w'ishengero ry'ihanga Right Honorable Famous Tayobwa arabwira abejibangano high school ngo buryo mumanye nakuye ebiyona bwambere nyo mubibaziyo obwabira tayirisho mereri
your behavior, your conduct, your discipline and the message you give about the school is the one which will bring more numbers here. That's the only way you get more numbers. And it's very important for you because if Ungano collapses, then your documents will have collapsed. If this school closes, and then they say, where did you study from? Ghana. Where is it? It closed 2 years ago.
Yes. My father, his father played a role in this school and the community at large. So us coming here, we are coming home.
Structures, from shop of structures, they started from there and they passed higher. But for us, we have basic structures. But we cannot increase on our academic standards, but also attract more students here. On this hill where we have a university.
Na bwanyuma umuzi wa speaker arambwira library y'ishomero hamwe na computer lab otirone chombe kuchaka nyina ekiriyoni chombe kwa ecyamara emyaka kiremerwa kuwa.
I'm going to mobilize for you 2 trailers of cement. Then I'll wait for you starting computers for the students.
Sima omugishogo twatunga okureba ngo yatstayayira kandi sima Honorable Dickson Kateshumba
abashomira ishomereri abarumu Dickson Kateshumba bariyo nubakora bucweka ihembe okugaruza ishomerero busya gashakwa Timothy Mushabe hamwe na Mike Twakire.